Welcome back, Remodelites, to another episode of Quick Tip Tuesday. I recently had a client send me this picture and this picture and ask me to help them find a way to install an outdoor shower by simply removing the hose bibs, but without going into the wall and doing any extra plumbing. I really had to put my thinking cap on for this one, so here we go. So I got your email yesterday and I was thinking about how we can do this with just a single cold feed in your outdoor shower. And an idea came to me here. You certainly do have the option of doing something with a more commercial look, kind of like the showers you see at the beach. And if you're looking for that industrial look, that's cool. We can go down that road. But my guess is from the other products that you've picked, you want something with a little bit more of a refined approach. And I was thinking about how we could accomplish this, and I had an idea, wanted to run it past you. Hansgrohe has a fitting called a Fix Fit. This is a wall outlet, single feed, so your cold water would come out right here, and your on-off supply would be something like this right here, and it would lead to a shower hose, which could be a hand shower on a hook or a hand shower on a slide bar, as shown. And you could do something like this. Let me know what your thoughts are on this. If you want to do chrome, brushed nickel, what you want to do, and I'll get you a couple of prices with some ideas. Let me know if that's a direction you want me to take. Thanks. Needless to say, the client loved the idea, and they asked me to put together something using the parts that I had in stock, and here's what we came up with. You grab yourself a water outlet that has a shut-off built into it, similar to the one I showed you on the wall earlier. You grab yourself a chrome slide bar, like this right here. Get yourself a decent chrome hand shower. Don't forget the chrome shower hose. And there you have it. So, links will be in the description below if you're looking to do a project like this. If you have any questions or comments, projects you're working on that you need some ideas, let me know. Send me a tweet, hook up with me on Instagram, Facebook. I'm not hard to find. And as always, click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, and make sure you share this video with all your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one.